Guys, thank you for visiting me here at LEDoutfitters.com. I want to do a quick close-up video of our Micro Slim 22 module LED light bar. We have pictures on the website, we have videos, but it doesn't do it justice. You got to get it in, you got to feel it, you got to see the structure, you got to see how amazing this light bar is. It's weatherproof, waterproof, thinner than a quarter. Has many different flash patterns, comes in available in different color options which you could choose at checkout on our website. It has 3 modes where you can turn on. Let's turn on the light bar so your customers can see how amazing this light bar is, how bright it is. Great off-axis lighting, great head-on lighting. It's bright. It could go on 3 modes. It has takedowns, alleys, traffic advisor on the back, as well as cruise mode if you wanted to use it. It also has a dim feature. You could make the light bar less bright if you wanted to make it less bright at night. It has a front activation and a rear activation. If you wanted to have the front flashing at certain times and have the back shut off, or have only the back flashing and the front turned off, you could do that as well. I don't know if I mentioned in this video, but it has 3 modes where you could set 3 different buttons on your Intel keypad. We're using the Intel control box in this video to demonstrate all the features, where you could have one mode on one switch, and then you could switch it to a different mode and have a different flash pattern on a different switch. And you could also do it on a third switch. So guys, this light bar is packed with full of features. It's thin, it's sleek, it's solid, it's not going anywhere. It comes with adjustable mounting feet where you could raise the light bar higher or lower depending on what you want to do. It comes in different lengths. It comes in, this is a 22 module, we have an 18 module, we have a 26 module, we have a 30 module, 34 module. My cameraman could get up and come closer here so you guys can see all the crevices and all the details of this light bar. We're going to shut it off and come a little closer so you can see how amazing this light bar is. Questions, comments, love hearing from you guys using our Micro Slim modules. Look how small they are. Look how thin they are. Look how bright they are. Look at this optic in there. You can't go wrong with this light bar. Questions, comments, ideas, guys. Love hearing from you guys. Speak to you soon. Have a great and blessed day.